Hi guys, this is Michelle of Michelle's Cozy Kitchen, bringing you another Caribbean favorite recipe, macaroni salad or pasta salad. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to cook these wonderful Caribbean dishes. I upload videos every Friday. A recipe to this dish would be in the description below. This dish is a must when cooking for a large group of people or even Sunday dinner. For this recipe, I'm going to use 2 boxes of bow tie pasta. Over medium heat, I've placed a pot with about 4 to 5 cups of water and allow it to come to a boil. Then I'm going to add enough salt to taste and about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. This is to prevent the pasta from sticking together. After that, I'm going to add the 2 boxes of pasta and allow them to cook uncovered until tender. After that, I will strain the pasta to remove them from the water and place them into a container. After placing the pasta into the container, I'm going to set it aside and prepare the seasonings. The seasonings I'm going to use 1 whole red, green, and yellow bell pepper, along with 1 large onion and some scallions. I am going to dice these into smaller pieces and then add them to the pasta. I did this recipe for a large gathering and it was so good. I got so many compliments. After preparing the seasonings, I am going to add them to the pasta. However, I am going to add it in batches, along with mayonnaise and sugar. The sugar is added for sweetness. For this recipe, I'm going to use about a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and a whole jar of mayonnaise. I have added about a 1/4 of the pasta in the container, to which I have added the first batch of seasoning and mayonnaise. I am going to stir it to ensure that the pasta is completely covered with all of the seasonings and mayonnaise to make sure that the flavors are completely blended. Then I'm going to add the next batch of pasta and seasonings. To this mixture, I'm going to add mixed vegetables. And this is something that I love to add to my salads, especially potato and pasta salads. So it gives it an additional boost of flavor. So guys, this is something that you can try if you've never tried it before. And I'm talking about mixed vegetables from the tin. This is how we make our pasta salads in the Caribbean, and it is always delicious. So I'm going to continue to add pasta, mayonnaise, seasonings, and stir them together until they're completely blended. In addition to all of that, I'm going to add some cayenne pepper to give it some heat and put a kick into the dish. I'm going to continue to stir the pasta until all the ingredients are fully incorporated. Some persons may add hard-boiled eggs to this recipe, but I have not added any to mine. That is optional. Once all the ingredients are completely blended, I am going to transfer it to a foil pan, cover it with foil paper and store it in the refrigerator until I'm ready to serve it. This pasta salad is quick and easy to make. It can be used as a side dish or a main course. So why not give it a try and let me know how it turns out. And as I always say, from my cozy kitchen to yours, enjoy. Be sure to check out my other videos featuring delicious and flavorful Caribbean recipes, such as ground stewed chicken, bakes, coconut dumplings and stewed saltfish, and coleslaw, just to name a few. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to make these wonderful Caribbean dishes.